The most common information security issue at Penn is a computer, tablet, or cell phone that has been compromised. This happens when your device becomes infected with malicious software and/or is under the control of another person.
I am sorry, Dave. I am afraid I cannot do that.
Once you no longer have control of your device, almost anything can happen. Compromised computers can result in sensitive data being exposed, passwords being stolen, and provide an entry point for more serious attacks at Penn and elsewhere. So how does this happen? The source of a compromise can be broad: malicious software installed from a bad website, remote attacks on a flawed operating system, or an infected mail attachment. But all attacks rely on one thing: a vulnerability, either resulting from the computer user's behavior, something malicious within the computer system itself, or a third-party application, such as a file-sharing service or personal email account. A computer vulnerability is a crack in the defenses of your network, operating system or programs, or even your personal habits. We suggest you approach preventing a compromise like preventing the common cold. While there may not be a foolproof strategy for avoiding a cold, there are actions we can take to minimize our chances of infection. We'll call this security hygiene, and these 3 things can strengthen our computer's immune system. 1. It's important to ensure your computer software is always up to date. That means both the operating system and the individual applications on the device should be set to automatically update whenever possible. The most popular and more widely used programs are often the ones that need updating on a regular basis. When these services tell you it's time to update, do not delay in shoring up your defenses. 2. Another basic but important step to take is to ensure that the free firewall that comes with your computer is enabled. This prevents unwanted external connections while still allowing your local programs to work. If an application or a person tells you to disable your firewall,
Can you disable your firewall for a second?
be suspicious and talk to your local IT support provider. And 3. The university provides antivirus software for your work and personal computers at no cost to you. You can search for supported software from the Penn webpage or download it from the link displayed at the end of this training. Talk to your IT support provider if you need help installing antivirus software. If you suspect a device you're working with is infected, disconnect it from the network immediately by removing the network cable or disabling the wireless and cellular connectivity. Once the device is isolated and not at risk of infecting others, contact your IT support provider. Good security hygiene really can help prevent a security breach from happening. If you're thinking that managing these 3 basics could be overwhelming or time-consuming, do not despair. Fortunately, many of the computers you will use at Penn will be managed for you. If you have a Penn-owned device, talk to your IT support provider. They can make sure these settings and configurations are in place for you.